All right, going to point out a few things here that are slowing down y'all's Facebook ad results. So with some other ads that I've fixed up, we can see the middle column here, unique CTR all. That is how many people out of 100 are actually clicking in to our ad to actually read what the heck we got to say and get exposed to our offer. So we can see over on the right, I scaled that 1.6x for the first ad, and then down below that 6.5x. That one's an outlier though. And then down below that 3x. So basically, on average, I'm able to get 2 to 4x more people clicking in to read the ad, get exposed to our offer for the same ad spend. So it's decreasing wasted ad spend, decreasing ad inefficiency. And here's another column of wins. Again, unique CTR all in the middle from a bunch of different ads I've created. So, about 12 people out of, looks like the average here is like 12%. So basically 12 out of every 100 people that see our ads, and this is to a cold audience, people that have never seen us before. They, are actually clicking our ad to see what the heck we offer. And the average, kind of market average, probably like 3%. Very good would be 5%. You can see me on consistently, in double digits here. And anytime someone running ads checks their metric of unique CTRL versus mine that I can get after fixing ads, mine is almost always higher. All right, so let's go here. First thing I always look at is the primary text. So here we go. Your flat or shingle roof deserves experts with 20 plus years of proven results. We solve roofing problems quickly while saving you time and money. Take advantage of our 20% off new roof offer and our $4.99 leak special now. All right, so this is the us mistake. So we're talking about us, talking about us, talking about us for more than 50% of the ad. So we're talking about us. We're talking about us. Saving you time, money, that is talking about them. And then talking about us. So the false belief that caused us to make this mistake is A, we don't even notice we're making the us mistake till someone points it out to us. And B, we believe that talking about ourselves more and more and more is the highest probability to bring in a buyer. Now that is 100% incorrect. So I see we're doing contact us. It looks like, all right, so you're going to DM, it looks like, right to a message. So, all right, so the people messaging in, going to be very, very, very few buyers. Most people messaging in will actually be well, the first group of people that message in, we message them back, and they don't respond. So that's the ghosters. Group 2 will be people that message in, we message them back, we go back and forth. We get them a quote, and then they stop responding, so they ghost after the quote. Then group 3, we get the people that get the quote, and they try to still lowball and haggle. And then group 4 is actually finally the buyers, the smallest group. Let's look at the creative. Residential commercial solutions. All right. All right. Yeah, this is, again, same us mistake. We're talking about us, talking about us, talking about us. And yeah, the same false beliefs. A, we don't even know we're making the mistake. It's fine. Everyone starting ads with ads does this. Because it's kind of like, well, we don't even know what things we could talk about. And yeah, I went through the same exact thing when I was starting out. And then B, again, thinking, okay, talking about us is the number one most important thing to bring in buyers, and that is 100% incorrect. So yeah, same consequences making this mistake as mistake number 1, but also we're going to feel like, we're going to feel like we're throwing money away, burning money, wasting our money, like throwing it down a money pit. And we're like, how the heck do we fix this? But AI's not got the answers. Nobody's got the answers. It's because they're not following a step-by-step system that looks at which ads or basically the metrics of the ads to determine which lever to pull next to get the ad back on track and have a higher chance of pulling in buyers. So, and then, yeah, as always a mistake here to have any text here in the bottom left below the creative. So yeah, these are a few of the things I'm seeing that are slowing down y'all's Facebook ad results.